In a world where financial stability is crucial, personal finance becomes your guiding light. Here's how it can transform your life. Person organizing bills and receipts. Personal finance helps you take control of by tracking your income and expenses. You can create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Person using a mobile banking app. With the power of technology, personal finance enables easy access to your accounts, allowing you to monitor your transactions and make informed financial decisions on the go. Person saving money in a piggy bank. Saving money is an essential part of personal finance. By setting aside a portion of your income regularly, you can build an emergency fund, achieve your dreams, and secure a comfortable future. Person researching investment options online. Personal finance empowers you to invest wisely. Through careful research and understanding, you can grow your wealth and make your money work for you. Person meeting with a financial advisor. Seeking professional guidance is invaluable. Financial advisors provide expert advice tailored to your specific needs, helping you navigate complex financial decisions and plan for long-term success. Person smiling confidently with a sense of accomplishment. By mastering personal finance, you gain the tools to achieve financial independence, reduce stress, and create a brighter future. Take the first step today. Harness the power of personal finance and unlock a world of possibilities.